A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill on the Vodafone app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Vodafone app. Launch the Vodafone app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing or my bill section in the main menu. This is typically found at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. View your current bill. In the billing section, you'll see your current bill amount and any previous bills. Tap on the current bill for more detailed information. Step 5. Check payment options. After viewing your bill, you can also explore payment options if you need to make a payment. Look for a Pay Now button for quick access. Sometimes, the app may log you out unexpectedly, so keep your login details handy. I hope this helps you easily check your bill. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.